Welcome back to my free AI tutorial channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the process of creating AI-generated videos using text-to-video AI tools. We'll be exploring two different AI video generator tools, each with its own unique capabilities. I've poured hours of effort into crafting this tutorial exclusively for you, and I can't wait to showcase the wonders of AI technology. So, let's jump right in and embark on this fascinating journey together. My friend, could you spare just 5 seconds to give me a quick like and leave a comment? I genuinely appreciate your support, and it means the world to me.
Number 01, Runway ML version 2 AI video generator. Runway ML is a paid AI tool, but for new accounts, you will receive 120 seconds of free credits. You can register using your email, Google, or Apple account. Visit the Runway ML Gen 2 website and click the Try Now button. To create an AI-generated video using this tool, select the Gen 2 option. Now, type your prompt. In this example, I will ask the AI tool to generate NeoDog 4K eating chicken. Currently, Gen 2 only supports 4 seconds of video duration. Click the Generate button to start generating your AI video. Here is the video result from this prompt. Once done, you can download the video by clicking the Download button. Here are the results from various other prompts. Number 2, GenMo AI video generator. Our second tool is GenMo. GenMo works like Kaiber AI, but with more features. This AI tool can create AI-generated images, 3D models, and videos. It is a paid tool, but it provides free daily credits. Before you can use their AI tool, you need to create a GenMo account using your Google or Discord account. To get started with creating your account, click on Login. For initiating the creation of our AI video, access the Create menu. Now, enter your prompt. Click on Generate Image to commence generating the first image frame for our AI video. Now click on the genie-arted image. Click Make Video option. It will take few seconds to produce video. Once done, click on Download button. Here is the second prompt. Small baby whoa equals sign with blue eyes and wings. You can customize your AI video by entering additional prompts, excluding objects, and adding captions. Set your desired video length and adjust the exploration value. Higher value means a more chaotic result. You can also customize the dynamism and smoothness values. Ensure that the seamless video loop option is activated. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video to support my work. I appreciate your support. Stay tuned for the next AI tutorial video. Goodbye and take care.